What's that? You breathe better than most of the fitness athletes on the internet? I know. Using diaphragmatic breathing in the proper way is gonna boost your performance instantaneously. Today, I'm gonna show you how. Let's get it. Welcome back, guys. I'm Sean Floch from Floch Fitness, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Floch Fitness offers great exercise videos, workouts, reviews, and awesome content like these videos here. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below. It's free. Today, I'm going to be showing you proper breathing mechanics when it comes to utilizing your breathing muscles in certain postural exercises. Now, there are tons of different videos, especially from Bill Hartman, Zach Couples, and the Postural Restoration Institute, that are going to drive these keys home. But when it comes to the aging athlete, there's certain points of emphasis that really allows to get the most out of these exercises. So let's go over this right now. I'm gonna be demonstrating the 90-90 hip lift exercise that I posted a video a little bit while ago. What I wanna be focusing on though is the 3 steps to proper breathing in order for you to utilize your diaphragm and breathing muscles while letting go of the other muscles that are trying to get that breath in and out. So follow along. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get ourselves into a 90-90 position. Again, I don't care about the positioning as much about is the emphasis of what we're gonna do when we breathe. So the first thing I want you to think about is the entire time you want to stay jelly belly. For a lot of us, we've done years and years and years of crunches and different ab exercises that emphasize these muscles here. That's called the rectus abdominis. The rectus abdominis is a flexion muscle. The problem with that is it causes our spine to flex as well. Pardon me as I pick my belly button lint. The problem is that it causes our spine to flex and actually prevents us from getting into multiple positions and access to multiple planes of motion. So instead, we want to keep that belly nice and relaxed so we don't curve our spine. Instead, we're going to keep the belly relaxed and we're going to use those exhale muscles. So I want you to just go ahead and take one hand, place it on your belly. The other one is going to go onto your chest. I want you to gently breathe in through your nose so that there's no sound. That's it. I don't want to hear a... When you do that, you're gonna notice that my neck muscles kick in, and that's incorrect. We don't wanna utilize neck muscles here, and this is potentially causing a lot of headaches, other extremity issues by utilizing these accessory muscles here to inhale. You gotta stay super relaxed, let the breath come in silently. So that's step 1. As you exhale, you're gonna do an open mouth sigh. You're imagining there's a pane of glass in front of you and you're gonna fog up that glass. But the key for us aging athletes and those who have a little bit more muscle tone is that as you get toward the end of the breath, you're gonna stay super relaxed and you're gonna continue to breathe out. You're gonna feel a squeezing sensation around your rib cage. That's the breathing muscles kicking in. So I'm gonna take a breath in through my nose, silent. Open mouth sigh. Now I'm gonna pause. You noticed this was my cue that I was continuing to try and get air out, driving air out, squeezing air out, using my exhalation muscles. My belly stayed super relaxed. You didn't see me crunching as I did that. That is what you wanna feel. As you think you have no more breath coming out, you're gonna continue to do that. In the beginning, when you first start utilizing this exercise, it's gonna feel like nothing's happening. Over time, the mobility of your ribs is going to improve and you're going to be able to get more air and drive more air out. If done properly, you're going to feel the muscles right around here start to engage. Now that's step 2. Step 3, pause, 5 seconds. That's going to do 2 things. 1, it's going to isometrically load the muscles because nothing's moving at this point. Isometrically load the muscles, your breathing muscles and posture muscles. And then we're gonna go ahead and allow the diaphragm to ascend so you can get another breath in. So I breathe all the way out. and now I'm gonna relax. You'll notice when you first utilize these exercises, it's gonna feel really tight and constricted as you try to get that breath in. That's perfectly normal. The reason why it's gonna be tight in the beginning is because the areas that are supposed to be filling up with air, the upper chest, the upper back, those are gonna feel super restricted because they haven't been opened up and stretched and mobilized before. So in the beginning, it's gonna feel really uncomfortable, really restricted, but trust me, after 4 or 5 days of utilizing these exercises, it's gonna feel a lot more comfortable for you, and you're gonna start to see your mobility improve, both in your upper body and your lower body. If you found something useful or you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. I'm Sean LaFloch of Floch Fitness. Breathe right, have an awesome day.